Hello guys, today fix how to fix overheating your PC while gaming. In this problem, most recommended solution are turn off the turbo boost. First, you're going to search registry edit. In registry edit, go to the local machine, system, current control under the control. Go to the power. In this power setting, go to the folder 5453351. In this folder, open the B333 folder. Then double click the attribute. Default value is 1, change to 2, then press OK. Then restart your computer. Then go to the power option. You can create a new plan. Turbo boost off. Select the high performance. Next you plan. In the turbo boost of plan, you change setting. In this change advanced setting. In the setting, go to the process power management. After that, you edit the registry editor. You can see the processor performance boost mode. In this mode, you can control your turbo boost. Disable, then apply OK. Base clock speed not enough for some games. You can use stick PC or throttle stop to control your processor clock speed. I'm using quick PC.